Good day guys, in this video I'm showing you how to fix YouTube TV buffering issue. So if your YouTube TV videos keep buffering, freezing or dropping quality, the good news is that most of these issues come from simple connection problems you can fix yourself. So firstly, something you wish to do and you should do is test your internet speed. How do you do it? You type in fast.com and in here you just test your speed. You just open up the page and as you can see it starts instantly testing your speed, and if your speed is at least 3 to 5 megabytes, you will be able to stream CD quality, then 10 to 20 megabytes for HD and 25 plus for 4K. So as you can see, mine exceeds that by quite a bit. Then you can also try and restart your router. So you just unplug your router or modem for about 30 seconds, and then also restart your TV, Fire Stick, Roku or Apple TV. This clears network congestion and resets the streaming app. Also, if your TV is far from the router, you can reduce walls and obstacles, move the router higher and switch from 2.4 to 5 GHz for faster speeds. Also, if possible, plug your TV or streaming device directly into the router using a wire. It's going to be an Ethernet wire. This completely removes Wi-Fi interference. And also, if these kind of issues persist, you just go into the video and you just go into the settings and just lower your quality a bit. For example, if you're streaming at 1080, you can go 720, etc., etc. You get the point. Also, on Android TV or other devices you use, you can try clearing the cache. So you go to Settings, Apps, YouTube TV, and Clear Cache. This removes corrupted temporary files that cause buffering. Also, don't forget to update the app. Sometimes the outdated version of the app causes that stutter and lag. And if your YouTube TV is using and you're using some VPNs or proxies, try turning them off and retry streaming. And your YouTube TV stream should now be running smoothly. If buffering continues, even after these steps, contact your internet provider. Otherwise, that's it from us. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe.